Hi everyone, welcome back. Pray that you're all fine. Today, how to install Windows in Chromebooks. Let's start. First, you need to check that your model is Windows Enable or not. From this list, my case, it's Asus Book and Enable. Now open your book and find its jumper. Every model has different jumpers, so search from Google. Here we'll short these two pins and turn on Chrome. Chrome will lead you to Developer Mod with Terminal. There you have to type these commands one by one. Also plug a blank USB so it can back up your old firmware. Make sure this FWWP is disabled. If Enable can go further. If jumper is right connected, this will surely disable. Now press 2 to unlock BIOS. Press Y to confirm. For backup again, Y, and to confirm again press Y. Let it download the files. It'll provide you the links of commands, as well as files you need in description. Can search from there if anything won't understand. One done, reboot your Chrome, or turn off and on again. After all done, now press Escape when Chrome start. Next, just insert bootable USB and select boot from it. How to make bootable driver here. Choose your Windows and install it in normal ways. Delete all partition and create one. If your drive is small, use tiny Windows ISO for bootable drive. Once it's done, open Coolstar site, select Chrome, and select your model either by keys or by code. Download and install them. Some drivers are paid here, so can skip or find them elsewhere. All for this video. See you in next video very soon. Allah bless us all. Protect our brothers and sisters in Palestine, Gaza, Masjid-e Aqsa. Amin.